Check this out. Call it. Hydro. Oh, it's amber.
It is.
This push is different than security usually does.
It is genuine security though.
Oh, it's a whoa. Oh, it's got the scrolling arrow too.
Lights up amber and gold.
Hold up, I want to get the.
Doesn't do anything. Oh yeah, we can get gold. Am I in your way?
No, you're good.
I don't think that indicator works.
Yeah, we just went from floor 00 to floor 00.
Well, we officially went nowhere.
Would you mind backing up just so I can get my? No, not you. You're good.
Not me.
No, no, you. Yeah, hold on. Just so I can get my thumbnail. Okay, cool. Sorry. Oh, it lights up green for up.
That's nice.
That's not common.
Pretty loud. Yeah, these are, again, MontgomeryKone. The scrolling arrow on MontgomeryKone is weird.
Oh yeah, these are cool.
I always used to get confused with the ones from ThyssenKrupp with those.
Thank you. All right, that's it.
Same interiors as the one in the store.